Hi there, my name is Ian Glish, and welcome to my Streamlit app that I made using Starbucks data. My Streamlit app has a page title here labeled Starbucks Data Explorer, which ties into my header, followed by a subheader and a paragraph that explains what this Streamlit app is all about. It suggests to use the sidebar on the left to navigate through the 3 different pages I've made, and has a picture of a unique Starbucks location in Japan. Using the sidebar to navigate, I have 3 different pages, as I said: Home, which we were just on, Data Overview, and Exploratory Data Analysis. Going into the data overview page, I have my header, my subheader, and a paragraph which explains what the data set is about and lists all the features in a list fashion. It moves then into a data dictionary which explains which all of the columns are. Has another picture for an added general visualization. And then it has these checkboxes which show additional information. If we click this one, it shows the data frame that I used for this web app. And we keep going down. We have another one that gives us a brief overview of how big the shape of the data is. Moving on to the last page of exploratory data analysis, we have the option at looking at 4 different types of visualizations: histograms, box plots, scatter plots, and count plots. Looking at histogram, for the visualization of numerical distributions, we could look at a feature in this whole list, such as total fat, and look at the distribution of total fat and the count of that. 0 to 1 grams of total fat had the most beverages of the whole menu. We could also look specifically at the hue of beverage category for this visualization and for any feature. For box plot visualizations, looking at the numeric distribution, we could look at a feature such as caffeine and look at the distribution of caffeine in milligrams for all the drinks in the data set. The median milligrams of caffeine in a drink was about 75 milligrams, and it shows there was a wide range of drinks with large amounts of caffeine milligrams in them. We could also look at the same beverage category hue to the same box plot, showing more specifics. For scatter plots, we could visualize the relationship between 2 features, such as calories to sugars. We look and see that there is a direct correlation and a positive linear relationship between calories and sugar. As calories goes up, sugar goes up. We can also look at beverage category hue for this to get more specifics. Finally, looking at count plots, we can look at a categorical variable such as beverage category, which we used as a hue in the previous types of visualization. In this case, there's no hue option, but we can simply visualize categorical distributions. This one, looking at the amount of drinks per categorical category, such as beverage category, we can see that the top 3 categories of drinks are classic espresso drinks, Tazo tea drinks, followed by signature espresso drinks. And this was my Streamlit app on Starbucks data presentation. Thank you.